Is Trump launching his own phone service? Yes, and it's here. Get ready for Trump Mobile. The Trump Organization just unveiled Trump Mobile and the T1 smartphone. It's the latest venture capitalizing on the Trump brand association. Check out the 47 plan for $47.45 a month. Unlimited talk, text, data, plus extras like roadside assistance. The T1 phone is $499, featuring a gold look and MAGA branding. They claim the same coverage as major carriers and US-based customer service. It's primarily a licensing deal, not built directly by the Trump Organization. Will you switch to Trump Mobile? Compare the price and features yourself. Ready to connect with the 47 plan? Visit the Trump Mobile website to learn more and decide if this is the network for you.